In this video we are going to discuss about humidity duct sensors installation method. This is Sensors Installation Methods video series part 1. Humidity duct sensors. Note that humidity sensors are affected by air velocity. The air velocity in the vicinity of the sensor must not exceed 10 meters per second. Precaution: fit the sensor with a perforated shield or cover. For example, perforated steel. Avoid dead legs. Supersaturation can occur in areas where there is no airflow. Important: when installing sensors in ducts with negative pressure, it is possible for air from an external source to be drawn into the device and the installation hole. Seal tightly to prevent false readings. A test hole must be provided for every humidity sensor, downstream of the sensor. Recommended diameter, 40 mm. For maintenance purposes, the electrical connection should be of the plug-in type, for example TT45. Distance for humidification measurements for BM. BM is the distance between the humidifier and the humidity sensor necessary to allow the air to absorb 100% of the water supplied. The required distance depends on the amount of water supplied, the velocity of the air and the type of humidifier system. If the humidity sensor is not mounted at the required distance, it will produce a false reading. Example: because it is in the wrong position, the sensor here measures only 30% of the water or steam introduced into the system, as only this amount has been fully absorbed in gaseous form into the air. The sensor element will get wet, produce an incorrect reading, and may be damaged. Humidification systems. Air washers BM downstream of the eliminator plate. Tray-type humidifier BM 3.5 meters. Spray rehumidifiers BM 5.5 meters. Pressurized steam BM equals isotherm. Pressure-free steam BM equals isotherm 1.3. Spray humidifiers. Ultrasound humidifiers. Centrifugal humidifiers. Atomizer humidifiers. Distance for adiabatic humidification measurements. This diagram is designed for use in winter, with an absolute humidity content of 1.5 grams/kg on the intake side, and a supply air temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Method: enter the air velocity, in meter per second, on the left edge of the diagram, for example 2.0 meters per second. From this point, draw a line to the right, along the line indicating the increase in humidity, example, x equals 10 grams/kg. Starting where the two lines intersect, draw a vertical line and read the required distance BM for humidification measurements on the horizontal line at the bottom of the diagram, 6.7 meters. Distance BM for humidification measurements with steam humidifiers. A certain distance is required between humidifier and sensor, so that the air has time to absorb the water, vapor, supplied by the humidifier before the sensor measures the humidity. This distance is marked on the diagram as BM. The minimum distance between the humidifier and the humidity sensor must be equivalent to at least BM. Determining BM. Method: enter the increase in humidity in G water, kg air, for example 4.5 grams/kg, on the right edge of the diagram. Draw a horizontal line extending from this point towards the left. Enter the minimum duct air velocity, in meter per second, on the bottom edge of the diagram, for example 1.9 meters per second, and draw a vertical line extending upwards from this point. From the point of intersection of these two lines, draw a diagonal line extending upwards and parallel to the existing diagonals. Read the distance, BM, in meters, from the scale on the edge of the diagram, example 8.5 meters. Average humidity measurement. Locating the humidity sensor in a bypass duct improves the measurement of average, relative or absolute humidity, and should be used in cases of temperature or humidity stratification. Here too, the appropriate distance for humidity measurements, bm must be maintained. Humidity room sensors. Install sensors at a height of 1.5 meters in occupied spaces, and at least 50 centimeters from the adjacent wall. Do not install where sensor will be exposed to direct sunlight. Do not install on external walls. Seal gaps between cable, plastic tubing and conduit. Otherwise measurements will be falsified by incorrect circulation of the air. Do not install near lamps or above radiators. Avoid chimney walls. Do not install directly adjacent to doors. We hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching our video.